Hello, Montclair State faculty. I'm Tracy from the ADP Center for Learning Technologies, and today I'm here for part 2 in our Flipgrid series. First, we'll go over Canvas integration, and then I'll show you how to create an assignment. So let's do this. Okay, so let's get started on our Canvas Educator dashboard. So click on your course. And then the next thing we're going to do is actually integrate Flipgrid with Canvas. Now, there is something on the ITDS website to show you how to do the Canvas integration. But there's an extra step that I want to show you, and they also talk pretty quickly. So hopefully this will help a bit. So the first thing you'd want to do in your course is go to Settings. Up here in the tabs, you'll find Apps. So go to that and then type in Flipgrid. You can see I have it installed, but I'm going to pretend here to install it again. So once you add the app, you're going to have to go to your Flipgrid account and add a consumer key and a shared secret. So what we're going to do is go to our Flipgrid account, and over here in your profile, you'll find over here in this tab integration. So you would click on that. If you're creating a new Canvas integration, you'd add integration. Since I'm not for this, I'm just going to pretend and I'll copy the old one. So you copy the consumer key, paste it in, click on your shared secret, paste it in, and then add the app. Now, once you add the app, the next step we'll need to do is go to navigation. So for your course navigation, you will see down here Flipgrid, but as you can see, I've already added it. So once I'm going to click on this one instead, you can click enable. So once you click enable, it will move up here to your course navigation, and then you can drag it wherever you'd like. Once you do that, hit refresh so that it will update, and then you'll see Flipgrid over here in your course navigation. So let's go to assignments. So as you can see, I've already created some Flipgrid assignments. Let's go to this one called Pop Culture Lexicons. So basically, you'll see that I created this particular assignment. I just gave some few short directions, and I pasted in here a link. And down here is the actual integration with Flipgrid where it's embedded in this assignment. So as you can see, the students can record. They would just hit the record button. Down here, they can record their video and submit it. There's obviously effects, which are kind of cool. Students like to use them. And basically, that's it. They'll be submitting their assignments. They can respond to each other's assignments, and then you can actually use it in SpeedGrader if you wanted to do that. But I think what's more important is that we actually create a new assignment. So you would create the assignment here. You can add any videos that you'd like. Add your point or whatever else you need to add in here. But the next step for submission type, we're going to use this external tool. So you'd hit find and you would choose Flipgrid and then select. Then you can fill all this information in here when it's due. I'm just going to save it because we're not publishing it yet. So you can see that it was generated from Canvas. Now, in order to make it a little more interesting, you can add some media, which is nice. You can record your own video and give them instructions. You can upload a video, an image, a GIF. Some professors like to use their emoji, which is fun. So then you would add that. We'll add a GIF. We'll add Phoebe from Friends. That's perfect. And then you update your topic. So when your student goes into the assignment, they'll be able to read your note, and if you have a video, And there you have it. They can just record their response. You can also see these from, let's go to discussion. You can see that I just created another one, and you can see it on this side. I would say one of the only caveats is you can create them separately in Flipgrid, but it's much harder to integrate. So I recommend doing it through Canvas. But if, let's say I were to delete this assignment. So we just deleted this assignment in Canvas, but if you go over to the educator dashboard, it's still there. So you'll have to delete it on this end too. But that's just a little something extra. Honestly, you don't even have to do it. But I just wanted to let you know that that is the case. One caveat of the educator dashboard in Flipgrid. So that's basically how you create an assignment. I hope you found this simple. Feel free to reach out to the ADP Center, www.adpcenter.org, and let us know what you think or if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Enjoy your day.